Drinks with added electrolytes are becoming more popular, especially during the summer. But are they really worth the extra money compared to regular water? Consumer reporter John Matteries looks at when to consider electrolytes so you don't waste your money.
In this summer heat, these high school baseball players and parents like Heather Metters know it's essential to stay hydrated.
He drinks a lot of Gatorade, a lot of water, and he has a cooling towel since he's a catcher.
Jim Keene makes sure his son gets electrolytes too.
We've got some Gatorade here. So we go with the zero.
You may see ads or text messages like this from companies promoting products that claim to replenish lost electrolytes.
The more you sweat, the more, fluid you need to replace.
Electrolytes are the minerals your body needs to keep you hydrated. There's hundreds of products on the market, from tablets to drinks to powders, that promise to replace electrolytes quicker than regular H2O. They also cost more than a bottle of water, ranging anywhere from $5 to $30 or more. So are they worth it?
Now, many experts say electrolyte replacements might be a good idea if you're spending a lot more time out in the heat this summer, but they say be sure to read the labels.
Sodium and potassium, those are the two main electrolytes that you hear the most about.
Registered dietitian Kate Patton says electrolyte replacements are great after a long workout or a long day in the sun. But she says watch for high sugar content, extra caffeine, and labels that say proprietary blend, which Patton says can be a tactic for hiding certain ingredients. Lastly, don't confuse electrolytes with vitamin C supplements or other energy drinks. Bottom line, use electrolyte drinks for exercise or in the heat. Otherwise,
if you're exercising, even less than an hour and it's not too high intensity, then just plain water's fine.
And that's why many of these parents say plain water is okay with them, so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matteries.